you go.
Well, get yourself ready. Well, at least that photo looks like you. Yeah.
It's quite an old photo.
Well, today we've got gorgeous George in for test, first attempt. Tell them where you're from, George.
I'm from Leeds. Anything else?
Normally when I get these students, they're not very good, poor driving skills, but this one, got lucky with him, he's really good. You only had a few faults, didn't you?
Yeah, only a
What were they?
Yesterday or in my test?
No, when I first met you.
Um,
What was your bad habits?
Clutch before gas.
Ooh, very bad one, that one. Yeah, what else?
I'm trying to think. I mean, all my questionable maneuver techniques that I was told before. But I can't think of any specific ones.
Right. Any questions before we start?
Nope.
We're going to have a nice drive, and then we're going to predict how many faults he's going to get, whether he passes or fails. Yeah?
Yeah.
Go on and fire away. Wait, turn and left. Who knows you've got your testing?
My family and a few of my friends.
What was the faults yesterday?
Faults yesterday. I forgot to indicate on a roundabout. Wasn't great.
That's bad.
And a few times I wasn't looking over my shoulder when following up.
It's also bad.
But nothing.
What about where I had to grab the wheel?
Yeah, when I was on the roundabout, I was in position.
Trying to move off in neutral.
Yeah.
Now the roundabout, turn right, come all the way back round. Yeah, it's a good speed with a park car.
Yeah.
Can you pull up on the left?
After 100 yards, turn left, Albert Hill Road.
It's not very close enough, is it?
That's alright.
Is it?
Yeah, away with that. Drive on when you're ready.
Let's put it in gear. I was thinking about that all last night. I was like, every time I stop, I just need to think, put the car in gear.
Yeah, well, I've had people's fear for it, believe it or not.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
That'll be left, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Turn left, Albert Hill Road.
Right, emergency stop. Tell me how you do it with your feet.
As in just press both of these at the same time? Pretty aggressively?
No. Brake to the floor at the very last second. Stop the clutch. You got that?
Okay.
Don't do them together. That increases the stopping distance, increases the chance of skidding.
Oh.
BBC, brake before clutch. Right to the floor with the last second. Got it?
Okay.
Now when you stop, didn't we do it last time?
No?
Oh, that's my fault, that one. Now when you stop, handbrake and neutral. Say thank you, George, driver, when you're ready. Make sure you put in first and look all around the car. You missed this blind spot? Minor. Missed that one.
Major.
Field. If you wait and you see a car coming,
Yep.
and it's just getting bigger, don't signal, just let it go past.
Yep.
If it waits for you, look all around, signal right and drive on.
Yep.
Got it? So tell us what you're going to do with your feet.
Brake to the floor, and then at last
Clutch at
second.
the last second. Good. When you're ready. I'm just going to say a stop, okay? When you're ready. Now don't stamp it down, don't push it down lightly. Push it firmly to the floor. Thought we'd done it when I seen you last time. Now he'll make sure it's safe so you've got nothing to worry about, yeah?
Yep.
You just focus on your footwork. And remember the brake goes to the floor first, and then the clutch at the clutch at the last second. Don't stamp the brake. And you'll see how quick it stops.
Yep.
Want a bit more gas.
At the end of the road,
Stop.
turn left, A690, Neville's Cross Bank.
I didn't brake enough, I don't think.
Handbrake on. Neutral. Drive on when you're ready.
Yeah.
Put in first. Do them blind spot checks. Don't worry, we've got plenty of time to have another go. Yeah, you didn't push the brake down. Your clutch went down a bit quick.
Yeah.
Straight. So when you go to the brake, just pivot over and push it to the floor. Focus on pushing the brake to the floor.
Yeah.
Stamp the clutch at the last second. Gives a bit more gas. More. Stop.
Turn left,
That's
A690, Neville's
Which
Cross
way?
Bank.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Sorry.
Clutch down and brake.
Autopilot.
Right, now you keep your feet still. Then you go handbrake and neutral. Yeah?
Well,
Good.
the first bit was good.
Right, drive on when you're ready. That's it. I'll give that another go later on, okay? Any questions about it?
No, I think that was okay.
Turn left. Just keep your feet still when you stop.
Yeah.
Only a minor fault. Yeah, that junction there, don't pull out.
Yep.
If you see a car, just check your mirror look. Yeah. That way, which means you can
Just go.
pit stop when you're ready. Now we're going to do a parallel park on that car. Yeah. Now, did you look over your shoulder? This worries me. Dear me out. I'm not bothered about the left one.
Yeah.
It's the right one you need. You don't get marked if you miss the left one. Further forward.
Yep.
Further forward. Right, that'll do. I would just pull level with the front of the vehicle, yeah? Right, when you're ready.
So it's half
Give it a slap.
to the left.
And go around. Oh, it could be onward by now. Keep looking around, dip your clutch a bit. Keep looking all around the car. Straighten up. Stop. Yeah, just a bit fast, lovely with the reference points, yeah, but
Very fast and stuff.
yeah, just like drive on when you're ready. Any questions about that maneuver?
No, it seemed okay.
Great one. Yeah. I'll tell you what I'll do with you. You know when you go for test?
Yep.
I'll sit behind you. Yeah. When you ask you to move off, I'll just flick that right ear. That will make you want to look, won't it? Yeah. Or I'll tie some thread to your right ear and just do that. Oh, wait, start the car. There you go. Right, so now we'll see. Do you want your turn your car off? Now, when he asks you to look at the email, yeah,
Yep.
it's going to have my email address.
Yep.
Now we'll see. Are you happy to get the report sent to that email? Say yes. Understand that?
Yep.
And I'll send it to you if you want it.
Yep.
He'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no. He'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes. So I want to listen to the debriefing. Now, prediction, pass or fail?
I'm going to be optimistic and predict a pass.
How many faults?
I'll say like 4.
4. He's had a few minor faults today. And it sends a little bit nerves. He hasn't had a lesson for how many weeks?
3 or
4, isn't it? About 4 weeks, because he's just come back to university. Normally I would be petrified with a pupil like that, not having a couple lessons before test, but he's at a really good standard. So he did have one serious fault today. What was it?
Right shoulder.
Yeah, he didn't look over his shoulder on the emergency stop. But I would have to go for, if he goes to his best ability, he could be looking at a clean sheet here. But I'm going to go for 2 driver faults. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. First time, I hope.
Yeah.
Right, have any questions before I turn this off? Anything at all?
The major fault was just pulling off with my, pulling off after emergency stop.
Yeah, you didn't look over your shoulder. You know that, yeah? Right.
Just specifying.
Is that on silent?
It might be in a second.
Oh, let's go and meet their examiner. Yeah. You're getting the route. He does that one at 9:07. Strange. Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
I have passed with 3 minor faults.
3 faults. He was a bit nervous, weren't you?
Yeah, a little bit at the
It
start,
is
but
nervous wracking. Tell them what the 3 faults were for.
The 3 faults were observation. I pulled out when there was a car coming, but it was quite a way away, so it was not major.
He said he did slow it down a little bit, but not enough to warrant a serious fault, yeah?
My manoeuvre was not close enough to the curb.
Parallel park. You've done it perfect this morning, didn't you?
Yeah, I think it was all fine, just I wasn't, I think you might have been nitpicking a little bit there, but...
And what was the other one?
I'm trying to think now.
Judgment with meeting situations.
Oh yes, I was in a busy parked car, little town. And again, I knew straight away.
Did you?
Yeah, I was like, oh, I'm too close here, I should have stopped just beforehand, but...
Was that what, did you say that out loud? Or?
Yeah, I saw it and I was like, I'm too close.
You got a minor fault for judgment of meeting situations, so well done, Joe. It's nerve-wracking, isn't it?
It's scary, but I'm glad it's done. I don't have to worry about it anymore.
Good. Did you do the emergency stop?
Nope, no emergency stop.
So where was the junction at?
It was literally...
Just this one here?
This wasn't the one I don't think this was the one he gave me the minor for. But I started pulling out here when there was a car coming and stopped straight away.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's nerve-wracking when you first start, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it was just like a little jizz at the start.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, it's been a pleasure.
Yeah, it's been great, to be honest.
Would you do us a favour? Would you be so kind? Will you do it today? Because tomorrow you won't even remember my name.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Some great lessons.
Good.
Yeah.
You drive safely.
Thank you.